I just love unboxing the Thredup jewelry boxes. And today I'm going to do a recap on a Thredup 15-piece mixed jewelry box that I did a few months ago. I'm going to go over what I got in the box and how much each item sold for, if it sold, where it sold, and then what my profit or loss was on this box in particular. For those of you that are new here, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. So I love doing these jewelry boxes. I try to open 2 jewelry boxes a month on my channel, and I'm going to be opening another one tomorrow. So make sure to stay tuned for that. This one I opened a few months ago, and you got 15 pieces. It's supposed to be a more curated box of maybe branded or nicer pieces, and it is $54 plus shipping plus tax. So I will go over each piece. If you want to watch the unboxing, I will link it above, and you can go through and see all of the pieces as I unbox them. I will be putting a screenshot of the item up on the screen so you can see what it looks like as I'm talking. There are a fair number of pieces in this box that I ended up using for gifts with purchase. Those will not be on the screen because I did not photograph them. For any items that have not sold, I will be giving you guys at least 50% off of the price I have listed in Poshmark. So if you're interested in any of those pieces, I will give you the price and put it on the screen. And if you want to purchase it, just email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. All these items are also listed in my Poshmark and eBay, which is linked below in the description. So let's get into it. The first item that was in this box was, it was a new in the box, which is fun. Christian Siriano long dangle. They look like a mother of pearl. They're not. They're like a faux mother of pearl type little flower dangle earrings. They're really fun. And in this little box that says Bonita on the front. These I'm a little surprised have not sold since they are new in the box and super cute. So that is a 0 as far as those selling in this box. If anyone is interested in purchasing those, I will be selling those for $10 plus shipping. Okay. The second item that was in the box was, by all arguments, the best item in the box. And this was a Tor Birch Lucite cuff. So it's one of the thick kind of plastic cuffs that Tor Birch makes with a gold tone logo that was stamped on the front. That did really well, sold pretty quickly in my Poshmark closet for $50. So after the fees and everything, I made $40 on that piece. The next item that was in the box was a Banana Republic hair tie. So it has a little like plastic piece or acrylic piece on the top that's like a faux tortoise shell that kind of goes over like the top of your ponytail. That would fall right out of my hair. But it's really cute and it's in good condition. I was able to find a stock photo of this piece, which is also cool. Sometimes when you Google lens the pieces, you can get stock photos. I do have that listed, and it hasn't sold yet. So that's a 0. If anyone's interested in purchasing that, it'll be $5. The next item that was in the box was a new on card pair of silver tone dangle earrings by Jillian Michael, which I don't think is actually pronounced Michael because there was like a little accent somewhere. So Michelle, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, they were new on the card earrings. I ended up deciding not to list those and included those as a gift with purchase. The next item that was in the box was by Maidwell. I didn't know it was a Maidwell when I first unboxed it, but it reminded me of Maidwell, and then when I Google lensed it, sure enough, it was Maidwell. And this was one of the kind of slip chain necklaces that kind of dropped into like a lariat style a little bit, and it had a gold tone like wishbone at the end. That is still available, and so it's a 0 for the purpose of this video, and I will sell that directly to a subscriber for $8. The next item that was in the box also didn't have a brand marked on it when I unboxed it, but this was of the puppies playing in the background if you can hear her. She likes to go on the stairs right outside my office and take a toy and then drop it down the stairs and run after it. So it's all sorts of activity out there. Okay, back to the box. It is a double triangle. So the triangle is back to back and then pointing outward. Gold tone mother of pearl necklace. So the little triangles are like mother of pearl, and then it has like little rhinestones around the edging, and then the chain is gold tone. I was able to find this and Google Lens it and then confirm it. And this is by the brand Hippie Chick by OP, which stands for Olga Para, I believe. And it's actually sterling silver. It's a vermeil. So it's beautiful. And I could tell it was really nice when I unboxed it. I'm glad I was able to find some information about it. I have more information posted about that brand in the listing in my Poshmark closet. I did copy and paste that in there. It has not sold. And so if a subscriber would like it, it will be $10. The next item that was in the box, I loved these earrings, okay? They're clip-on earrings and they were gold tone. Now the back of the earring, they weren't marked per se, but they did say made in Italy on the back. So I always feel like if it says made in Italy, it means it's nice. But you could tell these were really nice quality. The very center looked like it was like an amber color. And so it maybe could have even been tiger's eye. I'm not sure, but they were so nice. Those did sell on Poshmark for $20. My cut after the fees was $16. The next item that was in the box was, at first I thought this huge necklace, but it ended up being a belt. It was like a silver chain belt. And this I ended up not listing and including as a gift with purchase. The next item that was in the box was by Express, and this was already taped together. Like it didn't come as a set, but somebody like created a set. So they took the earrings that were on the card with the matching necklace on cards. They're both new with tags, and then like taped them together. So I did not separate them. I left them. I think the retail, if you added it together, was like $60 or something like that. These have not sold yet. They're kind of in a bit of a gunmetal, and they've got really pretty like gray faceted beading on it, and silver. They're really pretty. Perfect for the holiday season, actually. Those have not sold yet, so that's a 0 for the recap. If a subscriber wants those, I will do those for $10. The next item that was in the box, or items, was a bangle set by J. Crew. There were 3 gold tone bangles, and those did sell in my Poshmark closet for $15. So after fees, I got 12. The next item that was in the box was also by J. Crew, and this was a pearl or faux pearl statement necklace. And the thing that was so interesting to me about this necklace, first of all, it had wear to it, okay? So it wasn't perfect, but they were large faux pearls, and the ends of the pearls were capped with like more like gold tone on each end. So they're almost like beaded pearls. I thought it was a really interesting necklace. That sold on eBay for $15. After fees and everything, my cut was $13.19. The next item in the box was also J. Crew. This was a collab though. I did a little bit of research on this one, and it's a ring, and it's like oh my gosh, it's the coolest ring. I wish it was my size because I would totally keep it. But it was Nails by May, and then it was also like collab, like X J. Crew. So this I found comps for like $75 and plus. I have mine listed for $50. It is a size 7, and it's got a very cool design, multicolored like little crystals in there. And it's a size 7. So for the recap, that's a 0. If any subscribers are interested in that ring, and by the way, it is new with tags, I will do it for $20. The next item that was in the box was also a set of earrings that was new on card. These were like a gold tone filigree work dangle earring. These were by Sparkling Sage, And I decided to not list these and keep these as a gift with purchase, which I would show you these things, but I've already sent them out to people. They've already been sent as gifts. So that for the video is 0. Whoever got them, I hope they're enjoying them. The next item that was in the box was another faux pearl statement necklace. This one was unbranded and the hardware was silver tone. I decided to also not list this one and included that as a gift with purchase. So that was a 0 as far as the recap goes. The next item that was in the box was another pair of filigree earrings. These were really cool. These were like a double dangle. Okay, so they had like the dangle here and then a larger dangle down here with like a gunmetal filigree. I was hoping I could find a match for these on Google Lens and I couldn't. So I ended up, same thing, gift with purchase because they were in great shape. So hopefully someone is enjoying those. Okay, 2 more items. I actually got more items than the 15. So I love when that happens. I mean, just getting the Tori was great. And then everything else was bonus, right? Okay, so the next item that was in the box was a gold tone multi-layer necklace. This had little like squares and circles throughout the chain. And I couldn't find a match for this either on Google Lens. It was in great shape, so I also did this as a gift with purchase. I usually like to do that when people buy jewelry. I will find a piece of jewelry that they've purchased that's similar to maybe one of my free gifts with purchase and throw that in. So anyways, so that hopefully someone gets to enjoy all these pieces. All right, last item that was in the box was a Leo Sophia statement green necklace. So it was silver tone, if I'm remembering correctly. You guys will see the picture. And it has kind of these lime green little pieces throughout. It's really pretty, new with tags, which is great. I have that listed. It still hasn't sold. So for the purposes of the video, it is a 0. If any subscribers would like that piece, I will sell it for $8. So when you add everything up that I've sold, my total revenue to date on this box is $100. Now, when you subtract out the fees and then the cost of the box, I have profited to date $27.19. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still have 7 items that are still listed that I'm offering to you guys at low prices if you're interested. And the rest I did it as gifts with purchase. So not bad. Love these boxes. They're super easy to open, to list. And I'm having great luck selling jewelry. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing anything that's in the box, make sure to email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. Tomorrow, we are going to open another mixed jewelry box together. Super excited. And I also bought a mystery bundle from Brighton over at Brighten Your Day, and we're going to open that as well. All right, I will see you guys then. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And if you enjoy these recaps, make sure to give me a thumbs up on your way out. See y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.